Ryan here for Silly Reviews. We have a product from Freelivity. These are in-wash scent booster beads. You could find them on Amazon. Link is in the description. It's a pretty big canister. It's nice. It seems like it's kind of a new product. Lots of good reviews. And at the time of this video, big markdown on subscribe and save. So check that out. Let's take a closer look. This is a 1.5 pound, some type of cardboard canister. I really like it. I'm going to keep it even when it's empty. Really nice design. The scent for it says Fresh Essence. We'll get more into that afterwards. Lots of buzzwords on here. 100% botanical extracts, dye-free, preserves colors, long-lasting freshness, cruelty-free, eco-friendly, no phosphates. Compatible? Oh, HE compatible. You could toss this in any washing machine. I love this canister, though. It's kind of a bonus when it's done. I'm going to keep it, put something else in it, I guess. It comes with these little child safety stickers on the side of them. I may or may not have already peeled those off before to sneak a little snifferoo. Get familiar with the product, maybe. Some caution stuff on the back. You basically want to keep it out the reach of children. You don't want to eat it. If it comes in contact with your eyes, go ahead and flush with water. It's a tight lid, so open on a flat surface. You don't want to pick this thing up by the lid, especially when it's full, like it is now, because that daddy could fall on the ground. About our scent booster beads on the back, all kind of information about how they're eco-friendly and they're quality, plastic-free. Safe ingredients. They don't harm the environment. You add to your wash for fresh fragrance and soft clothes. Tells you about the ingredients. Natural corn extracts, fragrance, peg. There's some pegging going on. Perfume something or another. Micro capsules, which are natural resins for a long-lasting fragrance. It shows you how to use it. Basically, put your detergent in, put your clothes in, then bop a scoop or 2 scoops or even 3 scoops into your laundry. Kind of a small, medium, large thing going on. And the product is designed for machine washing, not for hand washing. And that's probably because if you try to hand wash with these, there's not enough agitation and stuff in time going on to dissolve them. But it shows you 1 to 3 garments, 4 to 6 garments, 7 to 10 plus garments. I'll tell you, I've already used it. I'm talking over the footage that I recorded. To use 3 scoops, I think, would be overkill on this. And that is a good thing. That's a compliment for the product. And we'll get down to that. We're going to do an unboxing, an unraveling, an unleashing of sorts. We're going to take and pull down on those child stickers. Pop the top. That's a boop bop. Look in here. We've got the silica gel to keep everything dry. Keep it fresh and crispy in there. Don't want things clumping. Take a look. Take a sniff. I'm taking a sniff. That smells good. And it smells different. And I love that. It's a 7.5 gram scoop. Kind of just give it a leveled scoop. Small, medium, and large. 1, 2, 3 scoops. That's how it works. You kind of shake it, get it level. It may take me a few tries. There you go. Hard to do when you're holding the camera. Holding the video recorder. Let's go ahead and take it into the washroom, into the laundry room. You can see, I've showed you in other videos, I've done lots of laundry products. I love scent. I'm all about scent. You look up here, I've got all the dryer sheets, the strong scents, the name brands, the value brands. I've got the perfect detergent for this test here, because while I don't purchase this stuff on the reg for normal stuff, I do have a sample of it. And this is the kind of free and clear all detergent that doesn't have any scent in it. So the only scent for this load of laundry will come from this in-wash booster from Freelivity. Link in the description. So let's go ahead and look down here and see how it did. We'll pull out the funkiest of funky. I've got some old Reebok draws in here. Let you get a whiff. I'll get a whiff. Smells freaking good. It smells different. Very nice. Let's pull out something else that might be a little smelly. Maybe we'll get a sweaty tank top that I use to work outside with. Give that a whiff. That smells good. The Freelivity, the scent beads, they're doing well. If you want something different, if you want something eco-friendly, even if you're not worried about that eco-friendly part, you just love scent like I do, this would be fun to pick up. And I like that canister a lot. We're going to reuse that, and I think that's all part of the program with this, right? And then look, if you have anybody else who shares the washroom with you, you can use this as an example of how to maybe get them to not waste a bunch of the product, right? I think a scoop will do you for almost a huge load, two at the most. Thanks for watching.